Hey guys, how are you all? I am fine and hope you are all doing well. I am a new YouTuber and this is my first video. So please encourage me guys by subscribing my channel and pressing the bell icon beside that and wish me good luck. Here we go. The story behind Morse code I gave you in the description below, so you can learn Morse code and in two methods. You can learn Morse code in two methods. I'm gonna teach you first method in this video and second method in another video. So please watch this video till the end. Method 1 is simply quick and dirty way. You can learn it in an easy way, but it's first thing we're gonna do is we are going to learn some really weird story, and it goes like this, and the story goes like this. I want you guys to picture that there is an ET, an extraterrestrial, and his name happens to be Ian. I-A-N, Ian. His name happens to be Ian. And suddenly, as he is open-minded, he says in his mind, and Sir, S-U-R, Sir. And he gets some WD-40, you can see here WD-40. And then after some time, he says, okay, go. And then he says to himself out loud, okay, go. For some reason, he uses that oil to turn on some high voltage frequency, in short HVF, high voltage frequency, and then passes for seconds. And then he says to himself, lol. And after some time, he puts on his PJs and in a box, in short BX, and that size of the box is CYZQ. CYZQ. You you will be worried about this story. It's somewhat weird, but it is something to remind. After listening to the weird story, if we write what we have, that there is an extraterrestrial ET and his name is Ian, I-A-N. He says and sir, and he takes WD-40, double D, and after some time he says okay, go, and he uses that to create high voltage frequency, in short HVF, and he passes for second and says to himself lol, and you write only L, and then after some time he uses his pages in and keep it in a box BX in short, and then size and the size of the box is in the form of CYZQ. It's funny, right? And the very basic Morse code is made up of dot and dash. And then now how should we write Morse code? First you make a circle, and then left side is dot, right side is dash, and you divide this circle into two parts, and then you write your ET, first two letters ET, and then you divide this E letter into two parts and T letter into two parts, and then after ET what it is, I you write here, A you write here, N you write here, M you write here, and all these four letters each has to be divided into two. I has to be divided into 2, A has to be divided into 2, N has to be divided into 2, and so on. And after writing what M, it is the letter, and after that SUR, double D, WD, K, G, O, H, V, F, and after O we have to divide all these letters into two parts, and then we write H, V, F. After F there is some space, so you need to take some space, and then you have to write L, and after that you need to take some space, and then P, J, B, X, C, Y, Z, Q. So let's start how to write. What I said, if it goes in left side we have to use dot, if it goes right side we have to use dash. So E, it is going this direction, in which direction? Left side, that means you have to keep a dot. And then if we go to I, it is also going in left direction, you have to keep a dot, and again this dot also you have to include two dots. So shall we check? I it is two dots, yes. And then S, this two dot as it is going in left direction, we have to use an extra dot, and S is of 3 dots. Shall we check? S is 3 dots. And H, simply 4 dots. Where it is, H is of 4 dots. So shall we check for a random letter? Shall we check for B? If we go for B, so T, it is going in right side, you have to use 1 dash, and if you go to N, it is going left side, 1 dash plus 1 dot, and then it is again going left side, 1 dash 2 dots, and again it is going left side, 1 dash 3 dots. 1 dash 3 dots. Here we go. In this way you learn Morse code in an easy way. So guys, if you like this video, please like this video, share and comment me in the comment section below, and wait for the second method. Bye bye.